Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be putting my stock air filter box back on, which it is right here. I'll be putting this back on. It has a K&N filter in it, so it's pretty good. But I'm going to take this off, take off the short ram intake, and take off that breather that I put on there. And just run it with the stock air box. Personally, my car, in the summertime, when I use AC, and I'm doing a lot of stopping and going and stuff, my car runs a lot better with the stock air box on it rather than the short ram or the cold air intake. So I'll go ahead and get ready and take that off, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Oh yeah, I also wanted to show you guys, it's been about 400 miles since I've done the mod, the PCV delete mod. It's been about 400 miles since I last did that, so you guys got an idea. Right about here, I'll show you guys once I take this off. There is, yeah, there's nothing in there. There's no oil. After 400 miles, no oil in this, so that's good, if you guys were wondering. But that's that. So alright you guys, I'm done. I got it all installed. So yeah, basically it was just this piece, and this piece. K&N filters under here. So I'll go ahead and start it and see what it sounds like now. It's gonna have a high idle until it relearns itself, but go ahead and check it out. Definitely quieter in the front. Alright you guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys on the next one.